Hi everybody, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab, and in today's video we are going to talk about a very unique app called MindPal. It is a SaaS basically, and AI related SaaS which basically let you create agents and workflows for AI, different AI, Anthropic, Claude basically, or OpenAI, Grok, all those kind of things, right? Now I have created a custom app for this particular AI app inside Pabbly Connect. So what you can do is you can trigger the things which you have created in an app called MindPal. You can trigger those things via Pabbly Connect and get data back into Pabbly Connect workflow. Right now, let's first talk about the MindPal. What exactly it does, right? So if you go to their website, by the way, I will leave my affiliate link in the description of this video, and if you purchase monthly or LTD plans with my link, I will give you my custom app for free. It is just $10, but I will still give it to you for free. Okay. Now let's come to the MindPal. So here you can see different kind of marketing templates or content generation templates available here. But in my opinion, MindPal does two things better compared to using AI directly inside Public Connect. Okay. First, it is super easy to generate long workflows in MindPal by just giving one or two line instructions in plain English language. Okay, I will show you that part as well. Actually, we will create one workflow from scratch right now, and second part which does it better compared to Public Connect is that MindPal can have access to internet. It can access to YouTube videos as well. So you can like summarize YouTube videos. You can generate social media posts from YouTube video URLs and stuff. Public by default cannot do that. Okay, Public can only access to official APIs, but MindPal can do that. Actually, there is third one as well. In MindPal, there is a something called Knowledgebase, where you can feed the data to MindPal database first and then create a workflow or AI agent on top of it. So imagine you have a PDF of 1,000 pages. You can feed that data to MindPal in here in knowledge sources. This is a, by the way, logged in view, and here you can post that PDF and stuff. By the way, they support ton of other things as well, like you can bring the data from this many places, right? So PowerPoint, Excel, all those things are possible. Audio, video, YouTube video links, all those things are possible. You can even enter the website URLs based on which you want to train your AI, right? So yeah, here you can post that data, and then you can make sure that your agent or your workflow only talks to that particular knowledge base. It should not get data from anywhere else on the internet or from anything outside of that data. Okay, so let's go to workflows, right? By the way, they have a lifetime deal going on, and the tier which I recommend is 499, but some people might find 349 useful as well. But if you use Fagun 25, I will post this LTD link and monthly link both in the description. But if you go to mindpal.space/Fagun, and if you apply coupon code Fagun 25, you will get 25 percent off on this $499 pricing. Okay, so I hope that is helpful. I got a special deal for you guys as well, and yeah, that will help me to keep creating more videos like this for you for free. Okay, so yeah, let's try to come back to MindPal logged in screen, and let's see how that exactly works, right? So currently I am in the workflow part of the MindPal logged in screen, and here there is a new button called new workflow. And what we want to do is we just want to give it a plain English instruction, and we want it to generate the workflow or the agents for us. Okay, we don't want to do like all the work from scratch. Like in Public Connect, you have to set up each and every action step with your own instructions, right? We don't want to do that here. So let's start with the instructions. We want to create social media posts from YouTube video URL as input. Social media will be FB, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And as you can see, it has now started to create the whole workflow for us. So in Pabbly, you have to come up with all these things. You can't just leave these things to somebody else or on Pabbly. You have to do all the things. So for now, I am not very happy with the creating visuals for things, but so I will just remove the visual part of things. But yeah, you can generate the images as well. Extract key information. Okay. So here you can see they have created one, two, three, and four agents for us. And yeah, this looks good. You can read these things as well. By the way, you will be able to change all these things. These are like system messages. Okay. And the prompt will be shown to you on in the video as in the things as well. So looks good. Okay, here we are. Okay. So first part is the input, what we want to get from the user side, right? So we want to get the YouTube video URL. So here is the URL field type. There are other fields like text, file, URL, images, and things. Extract key content from YouTube video. Here is the prompt, and if you want to change the system message, you can click on that purple button and you can do those things here, right? So in order to extract those things, you have to select the YouTube here. So make sure you do this kind of thing if in case you are planning to use the YouTube. Okay. In the output, if we don't want that, so just update the agent and that's it. Now it's done. And then this thing, okay, you can see whatever is in green color, that is mapped from the action step, and whatever is mapped in the yellow color, that is coming from the first step, right? So YouTube video URL is coming from here, okay. And post run webhook, so this is where you can put a webhook URL. So that's where the mindpal trigger app comes in, right? So I have selected the MindPal as a trigger. I am copying the webhook URL. By the way, I have just changed the, okay, yeah, just copy it and let's go back to MindPal. I will close this and let's paste it here. It will take 1 or 2 seconds to show you the up to date green colored text, and after that now you are ready to run your workflow. Okay, so whole thing is just created within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, new run, here we go. And single run, bulk runs, by the way, you can do bulk runs, you can ask for approval on each step as well. Everything is possible. Okay, so let's go to mindpal and let's actually go to Formula One channel. So we are going to Formula One. Let's go to videos and let's pick up. Yeah, let's use this video, first video, and we go back, paste it here, and then we remove extra things from it. Start reading the URL. By the way, you can do this whole thing with Pabbly as well. That's what I'm going to show you next. And you can save task as well. Why? Because Pabbly is going to use multiple tasks for generating Facebook, Instagram, and stuff. In this one, you can do all the things in a single go. Okay, so MindPal has successfully learned the URL, which means it now has access to that YouTube video. Okay, so let's click on start. So now you can see that it has tried to extract the information out of the video, and now it is creating a social media post for Facebook. Then it will do the same thing for LinkedIn. And then now it is doing the same thing for Instagram as well. Okay, so all those things are done, and it says the webhook is triggered successfully as well. So here you can see the whole thing is now captured in Public Connect, right? So the whole data is now available in Public Connect, right? So yeah, that this is how much easy it is, just to trigger the whole thing very easily without any issues. And now let's try to do similar kind of a thing. So first of all, I will do the recapture here. How to use MindPal as an action, or how to trigger MindPal workflow, which we just created here. Workflows, this one. How to trigger this workflow using Public Connect, right? So if we go to Public Connect, I have a main action called run MindPal workflow. This will only work if you have a text input. It won't work with file or image inputs. Okay, URL will still work. So you need to open that. You need to click on connect a button, and when you try to add new connection, you need an API key. How will you get this API key? You need to go to your particular workspace settings, and then you need to go to public API, and you need to copy this key, paste it here. That's how you create a new connection. Okay, I have already done that, so I won't be doing that again. Okay, let's go to workflow again. So we just created this workflow. ID of the workflow you will be getting from the URL bar. So I will just copy that part, paste in here. So let's do T1. I will be deleting this OpenAI API key. So don't bother to copy it and use it. I will be immediately deleting it after the video, right? So yeah, you need to pass all the API keys that are used by the agents. All of my agents are currently only using OpenAI API keys, but you can add extra API keys like Grok or Anthropic or Gemini, those three as well. But for now, I am only using OpenAI API key. If you are using other API key, make sure you pass those as well. Now, now let's come to the main part, which is the JSON body request, right? How do you build this? So there are very easy methods to do this. First, you need to click on the user input. You need to copy the field name. Before that, actually, let's copy this example here. Now it has two things, but we are only using one. So I will remove the second one. Then I will go to workflow, copy the field name, replace the sample field name with the actual field name. Let's go to Formula One. Let's copy the link again. Let's do the pasting here. Let's remove the everything extra. Click on save and send test request again. By the way, I changed the name to T2. Let's go back, and if I refresh, let's see the latest T2. And here, so now it is still running the whole thing. You can see here, you can refresh it here as well. Okay, so according to this, now the data is captured inside Public Connect. And if we go here, we also get the run ID, which we can use after delay step. I would recommend add a delay of up to like at least 3 to 5 minutes, and then you can use a MindPal action called get workflow by ID. Workflow run by ID. So you have to pass workflow ID, which we, if you remember, workflow here, and we got it from the URL bar, and the run ID will be coming from the run a MindPal workflow action step. Okay, and if you click on now save and send test request, you will be able to output of that thing inside here. Okay, there is another action called get all workflow runs. Let me copy this first, paste it here. Okay, so yeah, it lists all the runs of that particular workflow. Okay, not the output. Remember, it lists the title and stuff, but not the output. Okay, so yeah, keep that thing in mind. And yeah, this was the whole thing that how you can use MindPal to save task inside Public Connect plus access the internet via uh, AI and use your knowledge base to generate the output and stuff, right? So all these things are only possible with MindPal. It is easiest workflow AI workflow builder I have seen. I have nothing seen easier than this thing. So yeah, make sure if you want to support me, you go to mindpal.space/Fagun. You go get the unlimited pro, which doesn't have the plugins, which is like something like creating a presentation or a mind map. Yeah, by the way, you can create all those things as well, right? And if you purchase any of these three, or if you purchase any of the monthly plan using my affiliate link, make sure you send me an email with your invoice, and I will give you the access to my custom app for free. Okay, after confirming with the MindPal team one time. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for the today's video. In case you want to purchase the custom app, and you already have a MindPal deal, you can get it for only $10 for limited time. You need to go to integration lab, store.integrationlab.in, and search for MindPal, and you can just purchase it from here. Okay, the discount will be gone within 10 to 15 days max, right? And after that it will be $20. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video helps you, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.